TeethXpress are a great alternative to traditional dentures. With TeethXpress, implants are placed in your jawbone, and those implants act as the anchor for the prosthesis that will be screwed onto the implants, and this will allow it not to move as much as a traditional denture would. Also, with TeethXpress, the implant being in the bone will help to stimulate the bone and prevent further bone loss or slow down the bone loss process. First, we have to do an oral examination, look in the patient's mouth, see what is going on. Is the mouth healthy enough to even consider placing implants? And then we will obtain records. The records being a digital scan or an impression, a cone beam or 3D imaging to see if there's adequate bone, where the sinus is, and where the implants can be placed realistically. TeethXpress is revolutionary. It is great. Most patients, their self-confidence and esteem has been improved by wearing this prosthesis because they don't have to take it out every night to put it in a jar and put it on their dresser. When they'll speak with more confidence, they don't have to worry about something falling out of their mouth. They won't have to wear an adhesive to hold it in. Once we screw it in, they don't have to take it out. Overall, patients are just generally happier wearing TeethXpress than wearing full denture.